I used to be broke. I mean, always stressed, living paycheck to paycheck, terrified of the next bill kind of broke. And it didn't matter how much I made. I just thought that's how life was supposed to feel. That constant worry about money can tank your health, your relationships, and your ability to think clearly. It's a vicious cycle that keeps you stuck. But then I figured out the secret to feeling financially secure wasn't about earning more, it was about wanting less. By adopting 15 simple, minimalist rules, I totally transformed my relationship with money. This isn't about sacrificing everything you love, it's about getting back control and finding freedom. And today, I'm sharing those exact rules with you. These are the practical habits that can help you save more, stress less, and build real wealth without just chasing a bigger paycheck. Rule 1. Automate savings before you see the money. This one is non-negotiable, trust me. The second your paycheck lands, a set amount should automatically move to your savings. Think of it as a tax you pay to your future self. It completely bypasses temptation because you never even get the chance to spend it. Paying yourself first is the foundation of financial peace of mind. Don't wait to see what's left at the end of the month. That's a recipe for disaster. Rule 2. Ruthlessly cancel unused subscriptions. Those little monthly charges for streaming services, apps, and that gym membership you swear you'll use next month, they add up. We're talking hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars a year. Go through your bank statements, find every recurring payment, and ask yourself one simple question. Did I get my money's worth last month? If the answer is no, cancel it. It's a 5-minute job that can instantly free up a surprising amount of cash. Rule 3. Implement the 30-day impulse rule. Impulse buys are almost never about the item. They're about chasing a quick mood boost or feeling like you'll miss out. Lasting happiness is rarely the result, so next time you get that itch to buy something unplanned, write it down and date it. Wait 30 days. If you still genuinely want it after a month, then you can think about budgeting for it. This one habit will kill the vast majority of regrettable purchases. It saved me thousands on stuff I would have forgotten about a week later. Rule 4. Adopt zero-based budgeting every month. A zero-based budget is where your income minus your expenses equals zero. Now, this doesn't mean you're broke. It means every single dollar has a job before the month even starts. You assign money to bills, groceries, savings, paying off debt, and even fun. Any dollar left unassigned goes straight toward your main financial goal. It's the most intentional way to manage your money, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Rule 5. Build a capsule wardrobe. Did you know the average person only wears about 20% of their clothes? A capsule wardrobe fixes this. It's a small collection of 30 to 50 versatile pieces you absolutely love. It kills decision fatigue, saves you time in the morning, and stops the cycle of buying trendy junk you'll wear once. You shift your focus from quantity to quality, investing in fewer, better items that last for years and save you a ton of money in the long run. Rule 6. Embrace digital minimalism. Your attention is a currency, and companies are desperate to spend it for you. Unsubscribe from all those marketing emails. Unfollow social media accounts that just make you want to buy stuff. Turn off notifications. So many impulse buys are triggered by the constant flood of ads and the online culture of more, more, more. By cleaning up your digital space, you protect your mind and your wallet from the endless pressure to want things you don't need. Rule 7. Never ever rent a storage unit. A storage unit is not a solution, it's a subscription to your own indecision. You're paying a monthly fee to avoid making a choice about stuff you don't have room for. Think about it. Paying $150 or more a month just to hold on to things you've forgotten about can add up to thousands of dollars over a few years. If something doesn't fit in your home, you probably don't need it. Sell what's valuable, donate the rest, and invest the money you save each month. Rule 8. Pursue a single focus income strategy.
Instead of scattering your energy across a dozen side hustles and half-learned skills, dedicate yourself to mastering one high-value skill or income stream. Minimalism is about cutting out the non-essential to focus on what really moves the needle. This applies to your career, too. By channeling your efforts, you can seriously increase your earning potential and hit major goals, like saving for a down payment or becoming debt-free, way faster. Rule 9. Sell what you don't use. Your clutter is just trapped cash. Every few months, go through your home and find anything you haven't used lately. Old electronics, books, clothes, furniture. Listing these things online turns forgotten objects back into actual money. This not only gives you extra cash to throw at your goals, but also reinforces the habit of knowing the difference between what you need and what's just taking up space. Rule 10. Maintain a minimal debt tolerance. Debt for things that lose value, like new cars, fancy furniture, or financed vacations, is a trap that keeps you working for someone else. The minimalist rule is simple. Try to only borrow for assets that have the potential to grow in value, like a home or an education that can genuinely increase your income. But even with education, be smart. Taking on huge loans for a degree that doesn't lead to a higher salary can backfire. For everything else, if you can't pay cash, you can't afford it. High-interest credit card debt is a financial emergency. Paying it off gives you a guaranteed return on your money that's almost impossible to beat with any investment. Rule 11. Limit yourself to one hobby at a time. Hobbies can get expensive fast. We get excited, buy all the gear for a new passion, and then jump to the next thing, leaving a trail of costly equipment in our wake. The minimalist approach is about depth over breadth. Pick one hobby to invest your time and money in. Want to learn guitar? Awesome. Focus only on that. Don't sign up for pottery and buy a new set of golf clubs at the same time. This stops scattered spending and lets you actually get good at something you enjoy. Rule 14. Give a portion of your money away. This might sound backward, but being generous is a powerful financial habit. Committing to giving a percentage of your income away, whether it's 1% or 10%, builds an abundance mindset, not scarcity. It breaks the psychological need to hoard money and reminds you that money is just a tool to be used, not a dragon's treasure to be piled up. Paradoxically, people who give freely often report feeling wealthier and more secure. Rule 15. Question every purchase against your core values. This is the ultimate rule that ties it all together. Before you buy anything, just pause and ask, does this purchase align with my values and get me closer to the life I actually want? If your core value is freedom, does this purchase chain you to more debt? If you value time with family, does this thing require more work and maintenance? This mindful pause shifts you from being a passive consumer to being the architect of your own life. It's the final filter that helps ensure you have money for what truly matters. These 15 rules aren't about deprivation, they are about liberation. They're the framework that took me from being a ball of financial stress to feeling a sense of peace and control I honestly never thought was possible. Financial freedom isn't a number in your bank account, it's the absence of financial anxiety. It's knowing you have enough because you've taken the time to decide what enough means for you. You don't have to earn more to feel rich, you just have to want less. Try starting with just one of these rules this week, then add another. Simple, consistent habits are what build a truly wealthy life.